181. Today I will do horticulture practicum event 3 about grafting the fruit plant or ornamental plant. The propagation of plant is divided into two. There are vegetative propagation or asexual and there are generative propagation or sexual. The method that we use is grafting. Vegetative propagation through grafting is recommended method for most fruit crops. According to Besir et al. 2019, it involves the joining of scion and rootstock, where the rootstock develops into the root system, while the scion develops the upper fruiting part of the grafted tree. The purpose of grafting is to get a new plant with the same character with their mother. Grafting also a method employed to improve crop production. Several grafting techniques such as side, cleft, wedge, splice, grafting methods are used to propagate horticultural crops. So, the plant that are used for grafting is citrus plant. According to Bareka et al. 2020, citrus spp are among the most widespread plants cultivated worldwide, and every year millions of tons of fruit, juice, or processed compounds are produced and consumed, representing one of the main sources of nutrients in human diet. The type of citrus plant that I use for this practicum is lime tree, Citrus aurantifolia, and this plant is lemon tree, Citrus ex limon. Next is tools and materials. The tools that I use is scissors, knife, cutting board. The materials is perspective stock from the lemon tree and perspective scion from the lime tree. Next is tissue, 70% alcohol, plastic, and PE plastic. Now let's move to the next method. First, before we use this, we must sterilize this knife with alcohol, then wipe it with tissue. Before we sterilize this knife, we should sharpen this knife first. The purpose of sharpening the knife is we can cut the stem in one incision, so it will not damage the plant tissue. Then take carefully the prospective scion. Don't forget it's only on the one incision. Don't forget to clean up the blade. Then make a V-slice at the base of the stem. Then prepare the prospective rootstock by cutting the part of this lemon tree. The prospective rootstock should be bigger than the prospective scion. Then make a slice in the middle or on the edge of this stem. Then connect the prospective scion and on the prospective rootstock, ensuring the candium of them connected each other. Then tie this with a PE plastic, so tie it tightly. Then also at the end of this grafting, cover it with plastic like this to ensure the temperature stability. Don't forget to tie it like this. Enough.